terrible? I asked the sage. How do we turn this burning final page? This chronic ache, this life of bitter dukkha, the endless search for some forgotten. He looked at me, his eyes without a name, and said, go straight into the center of the flame. Go to the bottom of the furnace deep, and no other sorrow will your soul keep. You cannot know the sweet without the sting, or hear the song the silent moments sing. Beyond the line where agony and bliss combine into a single sacred kiss. Look at the saint, the arrow in her side. Nowhere to run and nowhere left to hide. Is it a scream or is it joy inside? The only way is through the turning tide. Shiver down your spine, a sinking in your gut. Is it the thrill of fear, or is it love, or what? The very tears you cry for joy and grief are born the same beyond your mind's belief. It's just the context that you build around, the meaning that you give to every sound. A father's touch, a lover's soft embrace can change the feeling of this time and place. Be like the water when it meets the knife, it yields completely and it knows no strife. Be like the cat that falls from high above, it meets the ground not with force but with a gentle love. For hardness is the company of death, and softness is life's first and final breath. Don't fight the blow, just sway and let it pass. A bridge must bend or it will never last. You cannot know the sweet without the sting.